All right.
Two Porsches there are probably worth 100 grand a piece.
Is it? Ridiculous amount of money.
Yeah.
So who do they belong to? Celebrities?
No, well, I don't think they're celebrities, but they're all the people who own them are doing the rally.
Ah.
Doing-
Hi guys, any opportunity to vlog. I'm basically outside this hotel called Casa, and I just drove past. Soon as I drove past, I saw all these amazing, gorgeous, beautiful retro cars, and I go, damn, I need to look at. And I was looking at these cars, and I've never seen these cars in my life. Look at that beast there, number 5. And apparently these cars are worth a lot of money. I don't know how much, but they're worth a lot of money. And they have got literally, without exaggeration, at least about 50 cars here, would you say?
Oh, easily.
Easily about 50 cars. So what's going on here anyway today?
It's a rally.
It's a rally. So tell us a little bit about it, what you
Well, I
know.
don't know anything about it really. It's just a rally. It's run annually.
Okay.
It meets up and it goes all around the roads of Derbyshire, and it's all based on time.
Okay, and these cars, what are they like? Basically classic cars.
All classic, yeah.
So would you say like 40 years old, 30 years
Oh
old?
yeah, a lot older than that. Some of them. Yeah.
Okay.
A lot older than that. some of
And
them.
what have they got mainly? Is it like Ferraris, Lamborghinis, Porsches, or?
Well, there's Ford Cortinas, there's Minis, there's Ferraris over there, there's Porsches, there's the Cortinas over there.
So they've got
There's
a bit
mixture
of everything.
Every
Yeah.
manufacturer. Yeah.
Okay. So anyway, guys, let me just show you a quick tour of all these cars, because I don't think I will ever get opportunity to see these cars at such a close range. And it's just amazing. You just want to stand here and just look at these cars, because they are in mint conditions, a lot of them. Pristine condition.
You want to have a walk around? Have a look?
Yeah. So guys, keep on watching. And okay, so the cars. Look at this car here, a Ferrari. Damn, yeah, a Ferrari. But they got some amazing cars. Look at that. I think that's a Mercedes SL. I'm not quite sure, but that looks like a Mercedes SL. That is, I think, a Ford X2 or XR2 back in the 80s, 90s. There's a Porsche. There's Porsches, and let me show you this little beast here. This is a little Mini. Good old Mini. Look at that. But it's like being at a candy shop with all these amazing cars. And I bet a lot of you guys are feeling very envious now and thinking, damn, all these fabulous, amazing, classic cars, pristine condition as well. So let me show you a few more of these cars, guys. Very expensive cars, aren't they?
be worth more tomorrow than they are today.
Yeah. Guess what that is? Austin. Yes. This one here, a Volvo. That's a Volvo. And obviously the Porsche GT4. Show you this amazing beast. And this is a very nice, beautiful car. A BMW. Yes, a BMW 3 Series. BMW 3 Series. Guys, it's beautiful being here and just watching it. And even though it's about 6 o'clock in the morning, 6 a.m. Saturday morning, and I was basically just dropping a passenger off here in the car park, and she was just basically telling me about the event here. So I thought I have to pull over and just take a little tour of these car, because I think they're actually selling these cars. And the gentleman before, I was speaking to him, and he says some of these cars are worth like hundreds of thousands of pounds each car. And it's very difficult to get very close to these cars, and I'm very fortunate, very lucky to get close enough to these cars. But these cars are just absolute beasts. Like even them Porsches there, them orange one, they're basically worth over 100 grand a piece. And even all these cars here, or a lot of them. Anyway, this is ASH signing out. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I need to go home and get some sleep. Peace out. Boom. Oh guys, I was just on my way home, and guess what's happened? A flat tire. A flat tire, so I'm just waiting for AA, because these cars don't have any spare tires in the boot. So I phoned AA, they're gonna come here and they're gonna rescue me. They'll be here in about an hour. And that's what happens, because I was busy filming all them beautiful, awesome cars for you viewers to view and watch. And some cunts, they slashed my tire while I was there. So when I came, my tire pressure was dropping and dropping, and it was showing on the screen the tire pressure dropping, so I had to just park up. And now my tire is slashed. Some cunts slashed my tire, and now they need to come to AA and rescue me and sort my tire out. And just for you guys, the AA man's here after 1.5 hours. It's about 7:30 in the morning. So he's gonna basically just sort the tire out. It'll literally take him about half an hour, and then I could go home and get some sleep. So guys, I hope you appreciate all the hard work I go through just to vlog, to film and show you all these amazing things. And if I didn't go in that car park, and if I didn't be busy filming all them beautiful cars, this wouldn't have happened, and I'd be home fast asleep. But for you guys, you viewers, I do a lot of things. So I hope you appreciate all the hard work and effort I do just for you guys, you amazing people out there. So please just subscribe to Ash Vlogs, share, like and comment. Peace out. Boom. All done and dusted. Now I can go home and get some sleep. He sorted it all out. Thank you very much, Mansfield. If it weren't for you guys, I'd still stuck here. Almost 8 o'clock in the morning. Ash Ali signing out. Peace.